Hey guys, it's Jessica and welcome back to another video. Today, in this video, we're gonna try out these magnetic liner and lashes. This is from Ardell. No adhesive needed, long-lasting, waterproof, two-step application. They're reusable, which that's pretty cool that they're reusable. I kind of wish I had gotten the other one. I think there's another brand. I can't remember what it's called, but there's another brand that has magnetic lashes and liner. And the reason I wish I had gotten that one was because the liner, it's like one of these liners with like a thin tip. And like that's the kind of liner and brush that I prefer and that I'm better at using. I'm not very good at using like a dip thing with like one of these thick brushes, but you know, this is the one I got, so we gonna use it. I got this at Ulta. I think it was like $13.99, something like that. They had different styles. I got the demi wispies. The box makes it seem like it's super easy. There's no directions in it. Apply 2 coats of magnetic gel liner. Place magnetic lashes on magnetic gel liner while liner is still semi-wet and gently press down to secure. That is deceiving. Like, it makes it look like there's a lot. Look how much is in there. Ew, I don't like the consistency. It feels very dry and draggy. I think I need like 2 hands to do this. Oh, I put too much on. Oh, wait, what? It like, I didn't even try. I just like held it up against it and went like it like pulled out of my finger and stuck. It worked. I don't know how secure it is though. Let's go ahead and do the other eye. That was really easy. So I put the other eyelash on and I think I put it on a little wonky. Like I put it too far over, so it does kind of keep popping off in the middle, but I don't think that's like the lash's fault. I think I just put it too far over. I have such a hard time with fake eyelashes, so something like this would actually be really great for me or anybody who has trouble with lashes. I hate the eyeliner though. Like I knew I was gonna have a hard time with it just because I'm not used to this kind of eyeliner. It's just like so sticky and thick and it's almost like tar, like, and I had to like scrape some of it off. I think it hardened too. Yeah, it like hardened a little. It does not go on smooth at all. It's very dry and like kind of draggy. I feel like I ended up putting way more eyeliner on than I normally would have. I'll probably try another brand of magnetic lashes to find one that has a better eyeline. The idea is cool. The eyelashes are cool. I think they look really pretty. It seems pretty easy to remove too. You just gently peel off the lashes, remove the liner from the magnets, and then you just, with an oil-based makeup remover, wipe your eyelids. So pretty easy and straightforward. I like it, but I feel like there's probably better ones out. I hope you guys enjoyed that video and I will see you in my next one.